What's up, guys? When I posted the other day, it was flurrying a little bit, but now we're getting a serious snowstorm. I was gonna wait till tomorrow to come out here, but I just can't wait. So we're gonna take a little ride. Ecotric. See what this old puppy's got. Oh man, this is a blast. This is my first time really riding it in some serious snow. The other day it was flurrying, but it was nothing like this. Hope it's not too dark. Hoping it shows up, but I just figured I had to go for it anyway. It's handling it pretty fine. I'm kind of in the car track, but let's see what it's like when I get out into the untouched. It's not even that bad. Actually get a little more grip in the untouched because the snow is kind of not packed down and icy like it is where the cars drove. Definitely tomorrow I'm going to head out in the woods, try it out there too, but I had to get out tonight, give it a shot. I've been dying for months for this, so I didn't want to wait any longer. Let's ride in the untouched for a little bit, see what it's like. Oh yeah. Actually feel more confident where no one's driven. Doesn't feel like I'm going to wipe out as bad. Oh man, this is what it's all about right here. I don't even care. Ooh. Feels like the front could go out at any second. You know I'm going to end up on the ground here. Oh man, this is great. I can't wait to get back out here tomorrow. It's going to be even deeper. Be another like inch or two by the morning, they said. That's going to be neat. Well, here we go. The bike doesn't seem to be bothered by this at all. Really just the icy parts where the cars drove. Other than that, it's not bad at all. Beautiful night. Pretty peaceful out here. Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. I know I am. And hopefully I should have some more videos of my daytime ride tomorrow. That's going to be a lot of fun. Especially in the woods and everything. Saw some of my neighbors are out here playing, their kids and stuff. So I'm not the only one out here having a ton of fun in this. Alright guys, I'm fixing to wrap it up here in a minute. So we'll be back tomorrow with some more snow riding. Let's have yourselves a good night.